Want to know the real secret to making friends in Japan? It's not about being fluent, it's about this. Let's go. Hey friend, welcome back to Easy Japanese Talk. I'm Mia, and with me,
ヒロです。皆さん、こんにちは。
Hiro. Okay, real talk. A lot of people visit Japan or move to Japan and say, I can't make Japanese friends. Everyone is polite but distant. Sound familiar? Well, today I'm going to tell you the secret that nobody talks about. Hiro, what's the one thing Japanese people always ask when they meet someone new?
趣味は何ですか？趣味は何ですか？ What is your hobby?
Shumi wa nan desu ka? What's your hobby? This is the key. If you're new here, welcome. We make Japanese practical and cultural. And if you've been following our journey through episodes 1 to 11, you've learned greetings, food, shopping, transportation, weather. Today, we're unlocking the social side of Japan. If you missed earlier episodes, check out our Beginner Basics playlist after this. All right, let me explain something about Japanese culture. In Japan, friendships often happen through what's called hobby circles or bukatsu. Hiro, explain this.
Yes, in Japan, we make friends through activities. Sports club, music club, cooking class, game group.
Exactly. In Western countries, you might make friends at a bar or just chatting on the street. But in Japan, friendships are built through shared activities. If you join a tennis circle, a photography club, a board game meetup, boom, instant friend group.
Circle is important. We do hobby together.
Right. So here's the thing. If you can talk about your hobbies in Japanese, you can break into these circles. You can make real connections. That's why today's phrases are literally friendship phrases. Let's start with the most important question. What are your hobbies? Or what's your hobby?
趣味は何ですか？趣味は何ですか？
Shumi wa nan desu ka? Let me break it down. Shumi means hobby or hobbies. Wa is the topic marker. Nan is what. Desu ka makes it a question. So, hobby, what is? Say it slowly. Shu, mi, wa, nan, desu ka?
趣味は何ですか？
Perfect. Or more casually with friends?
趣味は
Shumi wa? Just shumi wa? Hobby? Super casual. Now, when someone asks you this question, how do you answer? Here's the magic phrase. I like blank is
が好きです。が好きです。
ga ski desu. I like blank. Ga is a particle. Ski means like or favorite. So if someone asks shumi wa, you can say, Hiro, you go first. What do you like?
音楽が好きです。音楽が好きです。I like music.
Ongaku ga suki desu. I like music. Ongaku is music. See how natural that sounds? Let me try. I like reading.
読書が好きです。読書が好きです。
Dokusho ga suki desu. I like reading. Dokusho is reading. Now, if you really like something, you say,
大好きです。
daisuki desu. I love it. Dai makes it stronger. So, I love traveling.
旅行が大好きです。旅行が大好きです。
Ryoko ga daisuki desu. Ryoko is traveling. Now, here's where the friendship magic happens. When you tell someone your hobby, they'll either say, me too, or that's cool, tell me more. And boom, conversation started. Let me teach you some common hobbies. Sports.
スポーツ、
Sportsu. Sports. Movies.
映画、
Eiga. Movies. Watching anime.
アニメを見ること、
Anime o miru koto. Watching anime. Gaming.
ゲーム、
Geimu. Gaming. Cooking.
料理、
Ryori. Cooking. Photography.
写真、
Shashin. Photography. Now, here's our first friendship challenge. Hiro's going to ask you about your hobbies, and you answer out loud. Ready, Hiro?
趣味は何ですか？
Pause the video right now and answer Hiro. Say, ga suki desu with your hobby. Come on, actually do it. We'll wait.
Say it, practice.
Good. Did you do it? I hope so, because this is how you'll make friends in real life. Now, before we learn more phrases, if you're realizing how practical this is for actually connecting with people in Japan, hit that subscribe button. We're teaching you the cultural keys, not just vocabulary.
Subscribe. Make friends.
Now, let's learn how to talk about what you do and how often.
All right, knowing what you like is step 1. But here's step 2, talking about what you actually do, because Japanese people will ask follow-up questions. So let's say you like sports. The next question will be, what sports do you do? Or do you play often? Let's learn I do blank or I play blank. The verb is
します、します、do.
します, do. So I play sports is
スポーツをします、スポーツをします。
スポーツをします. I play sports. Wo marks the object. If you play soccer specifically,
サッカーをします、サッカーをします。
サッカーをします. I play soccer. Tennis?
テニスをします、テニスをします。
テニスをします. See the pattern? Activity wo shimasu. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Japanese people will ask how often you do it because commitment matters in Japan. Often is
よく、よく。
yoku, often. So I often play soccer is
よくサッカーをします。よくサッカーをします。
yoku サッカーをします. Sometimes is
時々、時々。
時々, sometimes. Tokidoki. So I sometimes cook is
時々料理をします。時々料理をします。
時々料理をします. Every day is
毎日、毎日。
毎日, every day from episode 9. So I game every day is
毎日ゲームをします。毎日ゲームをします。
毎日ゲームをします. Now, here's the cultural secret that will change how you make friends in Japan. Hiro, tell them about Ganbaru.
Ganbaru, Ganbaru, very important in Japan.
Ganbaru. This means to try hard or to do your best. And here's the key. In Japan, effort is more important than skill. If you're bad at something but you're trying hard, Japanese people love that.
Yes, effort is good. Skill is okay. Effort is better.
Exactly. So if someone invites you to their tennis circle and you say, "Oh, I'm not good at tennis," they'll say, 大丈夫, gangatte. It's okay. Do your best. They're not looking for professionals. They're looking for people who will try. So here's a super useful phrase. I'm not very good, but I like it. How do you say that? Not very good is
上手じゃないです。上手じゃないです。
上手じゃないです, not good. So I'm not good at tennis, but I like it is
テニスは上手じゃないですが好きです。テニスは上手じゃないですが好きです。
テニスは上手じゃないですが好きです. The ga in the middle means but. This phrase is gold. It shows humility and enthusiasm, two things Japanese culture values. Or you can say I want to try, which is
やってみたいです。やってみたいです。
やってみたいです. I want to try. And boom, you might get invited to their basketball circle. Let's practice a real friendship conversation. I'll be a Japanese person at a cafe. Hiro just met me. Ready? So, what do you do for fun? Shumi wa?
音楽が好きです。音楽が好きです。
Oh, music. What kind? Do you play an instrument?
ギターを弾きます。でも上手じゃないです。ギターを弾きます。でも上手じゃないです。
ギターを弾きます。でも上手じゃないです. I play guitar, but I'm not good. Demo means but. Oh, that's cool. How often do you practice?
時々練習します。時々練習します。
時々練習します. Sometimes I practice. 練習 is practice. We should jam sometime.
いいですね。いいですね。
See? Friendship forming right there. That's how it happens. Friendship Challenge 2. Hiro is going to ask you a follow-up question. Answer with your activity and frequency. Ready?
それはよくしますか？それはよくしますか？ Do you do that often?
Pause and answer. Say yoku blank oshimasu or tokidoki blank oshimasu. Come on, actually say it out loud.
Practice. Say it.
Good, you're building real conversation skills. Now, let's talk about making plans with your new friends. All right, final step. You've talked about hobbies, you've shown enthusiasm. Now someone wants to actually do the hobby with you.
how do you invite someone or respond to an invitation? Let's do blank is
ましょう。ましょ
masho. Let's do blank. So let's play tennis is
う。テニスをしましょう。テニスをしましょう。
tennis wo shimashou. Let's play tennis. Let's go to karaoke is
カラオケに行きましょう。カラオケに行きましょ
karaoke ni ikimashou. Let's go to karaoke. Ikimashou is let's go. Now, when someone invites you, if you want to accept, you say
う。いいですね。いいですね。
ii desu ne. Sounds good. Or
行きましょう。行きましょ
ikimashou. Let's go. Or if you want to sound really enthusiastic,
う。ぜひ。ぜひ。
zehi. Definitely. By all means. This shows you're excited. And here's a cultural tip. When Japanese people make plans, they often suggest a specific time right away. So after let's do blank, someone will ask itsu, when, or nanji, what time. Be ready to actually commit to a time.
In Japan, we decide time, not just sometime.
Exactly. Not just let's hang out sometime, it's let's play tennis on Saturday at 2 p.m. Specific. Let's practice a full friendship-making conversation. I'm a Japanese person. Hiro is trying to make a friend. Full scenario. Hey, are you new here?
はい。趣味は何ですか？はい。趣味は何ですか？
Yes. What are your hobbies? I like photography.
写真ですか？僕も写真が好きです。写真ですか？僕も写真が好きです。
Photography? I also like photography. Bokumo means me too. Really, we should go take photos together.
いいですね。ぜひ。いいですね。ぜひ。
Sounds good. Definitely. How about this Saturday?
いいですよ。何時がいいですか？いいですよ。何時がいいですか？
Sure. What time is good? Perfect. Friendship made. Final friendship challenge. Hiro's going to invite you to do something. You respond enthusiastically. Ready?
一緒にカラオケに行きましょうか？一緒にカラオケに行きましょうか？ Want to go to karaoke together?
Pause and respond. Say, ii desu ne, or zehi, or ikimashou. Say it like you mean it.
Yes, say it.
Perfect. You just made a Japanese friend.
できた。You did it.
Let's review the friendship keys. Ask about hobbies. Shumi wa nan desu ka? Say what you like. Blank ga suki desu. Talk about what you do. Blank wo shimasu. Show frequency. Yoku, tokidoki, mainichi. Be humble about skill. Jouzu janai desu. Show enthusiasm for trying. Yatte mitai desu. Invite someone. Blank mashou. Accept eagerly. Ii desu ne. Zehi.
Perfect.
And remember the secret. Hobbies are how you make Japanese friends. Find a circle, join an activity, show effort even if you're not skilled. Japanese people value Ganbaru, trying your best. Challenge time. This week, think about your hobby and practice introducing it in Japanese. Blank ga suki desu. Say it in the mirror, say it to your pet, say it to anyone who will listen.
いい練習。Good practice.
And if you're planning to go to Japan, research hobby circles or meetup groups online. Look for tennis circles, board game cafes, photography walks, cooking classes. That's where friendships happen. If this episode gave you the key to making real Japanese friends, hit that thumbs up. This is cultural knowledge that changes everything.
お願いします。Please.
And tell me, what's your hobby? What circle would you join in Japan? Write it in Japanese in the comments. Blank ga suki desu. I want to see your hobbies. Next time, episode 13, we're learning how to make plans and invitations. We'll use time from episode 9 and hobbies from today. You'll learn how to schedule meetups, accept or decline invitations, and coordinate with friends.
約束 plans next time.
Can't wait! You just learned the real secret to Japanese friendships. It's not about perfect language, it's about shared interests and trying hard. You've got this.
またね皆さん。
じゃあね! See you next time!